Developing another human is enchanting phase for mother. She is experiencing both physical and emotional changes, as well as the baby movements that are happening inside her really amaze her. So try to look through her eyes what she wants to share about it. Try to make this journey more beautiful in all the aspects as you can. So this is a series for dads on how to support your partner in pregnancy. This is part 5. After watching this video, definitely go and check part 1 to 4. I have mentioned the link in description box below. So stay tuned. Hi moms and cutie babies. Welcome to ICAREBABY. Myself is Sim. I make videos related to parenting, pregnancy and baby care. If you are new to my channel, then definitely click subscribe. Subscription is absolutely free. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you will never miss an update from ICAREBABY. Help ICAREBABY to reach out to 10,000 subscribers. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Google+, Pinterest and Instagram. Control on self is very important, meaning controlling your behavior, anger, controlling your habits, controlling your lifestyle, controlling your work life, all in all, controlling yourself in all the aspects in order to balance your healthy relationship of husband and wife, because soon you are going to be parents. Becoming parents is not easy. You need to learn to be patient, self-control, be generous. So this is the right time to improve yourself, because in every person there is always room for growth. Well, who don't love partying with friends, going out with friends, hanging around? Nothing wrong in it. But if you are a party lover, then wait for a moment and think from the perspective of your pregnant partner. When she gets pregnant, she needs more of your time, love. She really wants to share her concern with you. Is that about it? No, it's more than that. She considers you as her support system on whom she can rely, trust, and in whose arm she can have sound sleep. So if you'll party outside, then she will also feel the same way, and she will eat the unhealthy food which is not good for her health and baby. So along with her, you also start eating nutritious food, because all the time she will not consider that everybody is targeting or concentrating on her to eat the nutritious food because she is pregnant. So you also give her a company, and in this way you can help her to control her diet as well as help her to eat healthy food during and after pregnancy, and it will save you some bucks as well. Some women are concerned about their body changes during pregnancy as well as the way they look due to weight gain. As her belly grows, you can notice the stretch mark on her body. So talk to her about it and ask her that is there any way you can help her. So research a good stretch mark cream or oil. There are variety available in the market. So check for the best one which is good for her skin type. If you are confused, then you can always seek the help from the elderly ladies from your family. So massaging with a stretch mark cream or oil definitely help her feel better. Well, all the ladies love shopping. So take your pregnant spouse for shopping some maternity clothes and shoes. It's important to wear comfortable clothes during pregnancy in which she can feel comfortable and can feel good about herself. One important note: show the interest and involvement while shopping rather than just stand still. This is just to keep yourself safe, so keep reading her mood. Most hospitals provide the birthing classes, so search for it, register for the same. Join along with her in order to know more about the pregnancy, birth, birthing position, exercise during labor. So when your partner is actually in the labor, you will be able to support her and understand her better. Love and care. go hand in hand. That's what your partner did, even when she is not pregnant. So let your relationship grow healthy and strong. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. So don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe. Subscription is absolutely free. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you will not miss an update from ICAREBABY. Till then, ciao!